Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you something a little bit different, how you can travel with your motorcycle. So this is my buddy's toy hauler. That's my buddy Maciek. Link to his channel is gonna be in the description.
That's basically the smallest toy hauler on the market you can buy, like a full functional camper toy hauler.
What's the length of the camper?
It's 18 feet. With the hitch, it's around 21-22 feet and it's 7 feet wide. Pretty good size, but it's a little narrower than the full-size camper. And what's cool about it that it's only 3,500 pounds. So empty, 3,500 pounds. So you can basically pull it with any full-size or mid-size SUV. It's pretty good starter camper for a small family. Probably like a couple, maybe a kid or two.
I mean, that's a different way that you can travel and camp out with your motorcycles or your toys. I mean, a lot of people like to travel with just motorcycles and camp out. But if you go like with your family or go like really far or get some shitty bike,
probably want to pull it behind you.
So
and
like 2 years ago, we used this camper to this toy hauler to go to Sturgis and Yellowstone, and actually we had like pretty shitty bikes for the long for the long travel. So yeah, that was a pretty good option.
For 4 people, it's a little tight inside, but we made it. It wasn't too bad.
Yeah, it wasn't
like a
bad.
week trip. So
yeah, on the motorcycles, yeah, that would be pretty terrible. I mean, everything's doable, but yeah, it'll be pretty painful.
Pretty comfortable way.
All right, so let's go inside and let's show you guys how it looks. All right, so we got pretty much 3 steps to get in.
So once you walk in, here's the master bedroom, which is basically, I think, queen size mattress. Technically, this part was supposed to be like an extra bed, but to be honest, maybe for a newborn. But I'm not sure if I want to put my newborn here because it would probably fall out and die.
Fall off.
So we use it as a
like
storage. Yeah.
But the bed looks pretty.
It's pretty comfy.
Pretty decent size.
It's pretty comfy. It's pretty decent size.
That's a queen size, or?
I think it's queen size. And then you have like a pretty big storage underneath it.
Nice,
you can access it from the outside.
So you got a couple windows over here with the shades. That's actually a pretty cool option. Power outlets, USB outlets. You got light over here.
Oh yeah.
Look at this. Look at this technology. Damn. So this is how it looks inside.
That's the living room. And then here's the dining room.
So this is pretty much the garage where you put your toys in here. And actually in the floor there's quite a few mounting hooks. So you got a couple over here. And the only minus is that it's nothing over here up front. Yeah, so pretty much the entire floor you can use as a garage.
And then once you're done, take the toys out and you can have dinner. There are some cushions over there. You can use this as like a patio if you prop it with something underneath it. And you can actually use it as a bed once you do this. So here's how you set up the bed for an extra guest. I'm like 5'8".
Because the trailer is 7 feet wide, right?
Yeah. Outside, I think. So inside is still probably smaller, but I'm 5'8" and it's...
Yep.
That way you can pretty comfortably eat dinner.
The best part is that you can eat a dinner with a decent view. You can just open the door and enjoy the nature.
And now here's the sink, range.
Maciek made the special covers over here, so the countertop is a little bit bigger, and you can use the glass over here also as a countertop or backsplash, whatever you want. Range fan over here, that's also pretty useful, I guess. Microwave.
Here's a radio with like USB, Bluetooth, HDMI,
Yeah, fancy.
all that.
Fancy.
Yeah, get some like, storage here. Yeah, some speakers inside and then outside, like 2 zones, so you can have the music outside and inside.
Nice.
Here's the AC unit, which is pretty loud, but actually cools it down the camper pretty quick. Got pretty big
full.
fridge and a freezer, which is separate.
Pretty decent size.
Here's the heater. That's actually gas heat, so you need to have propane gas in the front.
And you got a couple more storages over here underneath. So actually you got quite a bit of storage. You got one more shelf over here for some extra storage.
A TV mount.
Damn, fancy. You got flat screen TV.
Oh yeah. So if you have a motorcycle inside and you're on the road, you probably want to have it open so there are no fumes inside.
One more on the back over here for some additional airflow. All right, and this is the bathroom. So you got a toilet. You got a
It's not the
pooper.
biggest one, but at least it's not the wet one, which you sit inside of the shower. The only thing missing is the sink, which kinda sucks. Without it, you have to brush your teeth in the kitchen sink over the dirty dishes, so this kinda sucks. Let me record how you look inside of it.
Oh yeah, I'm a 6'3", 6'4", so I'm pretty much, you know, comfortable over here. But the shower, it's a different story.
But you have a little
have to-
fan.
Yeah, I got a little fan, so I have to watch out so it's not gonna suck me up. But still, it's usable.
If you have to take a quick shower.
Yeah, for a quick shower. I mean, it sits pretty high, but I'm guessing it's for some reason. Like when you sit on a pooper. When you sit on a pooper,
Close the door.
you can't really. I mean, it's pretty tight. I mean,
For a big guy, yeah, your feet are sticking out. You're a little too big for this.
it gets pretty tight, yeah. But it's there.
There's also a panel, so you can check how much water do you have. It's electrical awnings, very easy.
Extended or retracted.
outside.
And that's pretty good option. I'd say speakers, both of them, with some LEDs.
Yeah, you can have some outlets,
Power
outside,
outlets. What's that?
and that's for the TV.
Oh,
so
for
you can
TV?
you can actually hook it up right here. The TV from the inside, you can bring it, hook it up here, plug it here, and watch TV outside.
You got some LED lights on the top over here in the corner. And this is the cover, mosquito
So
cover,
you can either have it completely shade off, or
or see-through. In the summertime, yeah, the flies and mosquitoes, yeah, that's the worst part. So that's
Yeah.
pretty useful. So what Maciek does, he usually travels with a ATV and his Sportster. So yeah, that fits with no problem. I'm not sure about the baggers, because there's a lot of space in there. But with the 2 baggers, I think that we're pushing it. Because the time we went to Sturgis, we took my bike. At the time I had a Yamaha Warrior. So Warrior was on the back, and up front we loaded up Sportster. So that was a little tight, actually.
you can watch that video here.
Yeah, yeah. If you want to, you can watch the video over here in this corner.
The ramp is actually spring loaded, so it's pretty light. You can with one hand
One-handed.
lift it up and just clip it. There's a lock, so
Oh yeah, so you can lock with the keys, so nobody's gonna steal your toys. Of course, you got Harley logo.
The fresh tank is, I believe, 30 gallons, and gray and black is 20 each. The black is for the toilet, and the gray is for the
Sink shower.
and shower. Sewer hose, you can hide it here.
Yeah.
The whole thing fits in here perfectly. You got 4 jacks on each corner, which is pretty good, so it doesn't move.
Yeah, so
inside.
this way you can, level it up pretty good, the trailer. So like right now you can see the trailer is sitting on the angle. So this one it's, extended just a bit. And the front one it's extended pretty much to the highest position with some block underneath.
That's my beautiful tint job, so don't mind me.
I don't know if you can see on the video. Yeah, the tint job it's awesome at some point. You should be a professional tinter.
I know. Okay, so this is a great thing. The camper, you have all like 4 different or 5 different keys. One for the front doors, and you have one for the back doors.
Yeah.
And then one for the shower, one for the front storage.
Very cool design.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
All nice
That's pretty quick.
Nice and dirty.
That's pretty awesome, dude. So you got outside shower,
You know, you're all dirty after
Yeah,
your bike
like,
or something.
yeah, if something's dirty or like you want to wash your dog, that's pretty useful.
Yeah.
If you guys want to see a little bit more in-depth accessories or the things that you really need for camping with the trailer, let me know in the comments, because actually there's a lot of stuff that you learn along the way when you get a camper. Can you show how to close it and open it? So you got a screen door over here. That's really useful. I think we recorded how we loaded the bikes, so you can see it real quick. Alright, I'm just gonna show you the clip over here. That's gonna be it.
See you guys in the next video. We're gonna show you some accessories.
Yes.
At least the ones that you need to buy right away when you have a camper.
Thanks a lot for watching, and see you next video.